Morning. We don't want to stay here another night, so
Let's drive to the next campsite and then do the breakfast stuff. Pretty much the same breakfast as yesterday. We still have all that dragon fruit left. But there is a Foursquare here, I think. So for tomorrow, we'll grab some bread. Yeah, really not much happened today. I was sitting there for some video editing and then some guy came and was talking to me for like an hour, showing me or telling me all the nice things to do here and especially in the entire Southland. So we just finished up the video, vlog 21 I think. Now I'm getting hungry and I have no idea what to cook. We wanted to make some pan-fried kale, but they didn't have any kale because we're in a very small town. Instead we got sourdough bread, which I expected to be a little bit different. So the idea now is to make a chickpea curry. We got coconut cream, chickpeas, onion, a lime, tomatoes, garlic, curry powder and cumin it is. So the consistency is usually a bit different, it's not as liquid and it could use a lot more curry, but we're out of curry. So the rest will just sit there and maybe thicken up a little bit. Cheers. And I think this is it for today. I'm tired, just after 10. It's very quiet over here in Windham. Very, very quiet.